The Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Smart Bulb Starter Kit Review. Sold by Amazon. Introducing the Philips Hue New White and Color Ambiance Smart Light Bulb Starter Kit. This kit includes everything you need: 2 bulbs, a smart button, and a bridge. Simply connect the bridge to your router and screw in the bulbs. Control your lighting via the Philips Hue app for a seamless smart home experience. With 1,100 lumens, these bulbs are perfect for lighting up your living room or kitchen. Choose from 16 million colors to set the perfect mood for any occasion. Create the ideal ambience for film nights, parties, or bedtime stories. Feel secure with home and away control, mimicking your presence when you're out. And have your lights turn on automatically when you arrive home in the dark. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for hands-free voice control. Transform your home lighting with the Philips Hue Starter Kit. While it may be on the pricier side, the investment is well worth it for the level of control and customization you gain. The Philips Hue Starter Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home lighting. Its easy setup, rich feature set, and smart home integration make it a standout in the market.